Hi everyone, this is Manoj, your German coach. So in this lesson, in this video lesson, I am going to talk about zweiteilige Konnektor, which is two-way connectors, you can say, je desto. How you can use je desto, je umso. In B1 we call it je desto, in B2 we use it as je umso. We are going to talk about the usage of je and desto step by step. So first we are going to understand or have a look at few examples. Then we'll talk about the structure, sentence structure, how you can frame sentences effectively with ye, this, to. So let's start. So let's start. Let's have a look at few examples first of all, right? So before, unless and until we are not through with the examples, it's difficult for us to know the sentence structure. Let's say, je mehr ich lerne, desto bessere Punkte kann ich bekommen. Je schneller du fährst, desto, desto höher sind die Unfallsmöglichkeiten. Je mehr ist man, desto je mehr man ist, desto dicker wird man. Je länger man schläft, desto fauler wird man. Je früher man aufsteht, desto gesunder lebt man. So what is our observation? In the first place, we always have ye, then we have the comparative form of an adjective, then the subject, and then the verb. Please make sure that the verb always occurs in the end, right? Always. That's why we call it Nebensatz. In Nebensatz, generally the verb is always in the end. Okay? Je mehr man isst, je länger man schläft, je früher man aufsteht. Now we come to the next part, which is our Hauptsatz. So we have this desto, or you can say in B2 you call it umso. Meaning is same. You use desto, you use umso. It's more or less same thing. Then the comparative form, right? And then the verb, then the subject. Okay? Because it's modal verb, so this is in the end, infinitive verb. Sind die Unfallsmöglichkeiten, desto höher sind die Unfallsmöglichkeiten, desto dicker wird man, desto fauler wird man, desto gesunder lebt man. That's the rule. Je plus comparative plus subject plus verb, desto plus comparative plus verb plus subject, and then the object if required. Otherwise, it's not required. So let's try to understand this je desto through some examples. Here I have list of certain examples which I created for this lesson. So in Spanien wird viel Wein produziert, die Preise sinken stark. How do we write it? In je mehr Wein in Spanien produziert wird, desto stärker sinken die Preise. See, je mehr is the comparative form of viel. Wein in Spanien produziert wird in the end. That's though a passive sentence, it's in the end. Desto you can use umso as well. There is no problem. Ich wiederhole oft Wörter. Ich merke sie mir gut. Let's say, je öfter ich Wörter wiederhole, desto besser merke ich sie mir. Je, comparative, subject, verb in the end, desto, comparative, verb, subject, object. Ich esse viel Schokolade, ich werde dick. Je mehr Schokolade ich esse, desto dicker werde ich. hat wenig gearbeitet, wird faul. Je weniger hat gearbeitet, je weniger hat gearbeitet, oder we take it in present, je mehr arbeitet, desto fauler wird We just did it in present. That's okay. Ideally, it should be je weniger gearbeitet hat, desto fauler wurde But we are trying to make it present. Man baut breite Straßen, es entsteht mehr Verkehr. Je breiter man die Straßen baut, verb in the end, desto mehr entsteht es Verkehr. Mehr was already in the comparative form. Du gibst mir das Buch früh zurück. Es ist gut für mich. Let's say, je früher du mir das Buch zurückgibst, desto besser ist es gut für mich. So I'm doing nothing. I'm just following the rule, and which is after ye, there should be the comparative form, then there should be the subject, then the verb, and verb should always be in the end. And we have desto, umso, then the comparative form, then comes the verb, second position, then the subject and the object. That is how we generally use ye desto. Okay. It seems to be one of the most complicated topic, which is not. With just little attention, you can frame ye desto. So I hope you are now clear with ye and desto, and I will be back with my another lesson on Zweiteilige Konnektoren. So please stay tuned. Keep watching Lingo Guru. Thank you.